Okay. What is going on, my boo? It is your girl, STACIEWO. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Today, honey, we are going to be doing a brown half cut crease. We're going to be creasing these eyes. As you can see, I'm in the jungle today. I'm feeling very jungly. You know what I'm saying? So with that being said, baby, grab your brushes, sit back, chill, relax, and let's jump right into this video. So first, honey, how's everybody been doing? You're still quarantining? Because I'm still quarantining. I've been seeing a lot of people going out, taking trips. That is so decent, but I'm still scared to go outside. So I'm still quarantining. Okay? So starting off, boo, we're going to be starting off with this Venus palette. I really love this Venus palette. And we're going to be starting off with this cool orange. It is called Jam. Do my jam. You know what I'm saying? And we're going to be taking like this cool fluffy brush. This is the M535 brush, and we're going to just be tapping into that, and we're going to be laying that all in the crease, you know, blending it really good, taking it down just like that. You know what I'm saying? It's just something about an orange that like really like turns me on. Like I just love an orange. I even love orange for a blush, especially with this skin tone, honey. It'd be like pop. Okay. Yeah, baby. Now since we have that down really good, just like we like it, we're going to be jumping into just a much smaller brush, and this brush is the M514, and we're going to be jumping into Mud, tapping that right here into the outer corner and just bringing it up in the crease. So come on now, do it with me, girl. Yeah, that's just how we doing it. We doing it like that. You see? Okay. Tap tap tap, and then bring it in. Say tap, 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 and then bring it in. Hey, come on now, tap, 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 and bring it in. All right, y'all, I ain't gonna stop being crazy. We're gonna get serious on this tutorial, okay? Really tap, 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 and bring it in. Yeah. You know, we're gonna make these corners like I like my men, dark, okay? I'm going to be jumping into this Norvina palette because I need just a darker brown. And I'm going to take the same brush and we're going to dab right here into this brown. Tap, tap, right there on that outer corner. And we're going to keep it right here. There you go. Don't stop, get it. Make sure you tap on your brush too, okay? We're going to jump into that first brush, our transition brush. And we're going to just take a teeny bit of that orange, and we're going to just blend in those edges because we just want those edges to make sure those edges is blended. So we're going to keep going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. You dig? So I'm going to be jumping into that Norvina palette again, and I'm going to be just taking this black just to make it a little bit darker. Jumping in with this M506 brush, put that right here on my outer corner. Just keeping it right there. Oh yeah. Oh, I like this. All right, now we about to cut the crease. You know what I'm saying? Like cut the crease. Okay, so we're gonna be taking this flat brush right here. This is the Acid Rain by P. Louise, one of my faves. So now to cut the crease, we're gonna be jumping into the P. Louise, and this is in the Rumor 2. Okay, so we're gonna take a little bit, put a little bit on your hand. So for this half cut, we're gonna take it. Blend that baby out, you know. I had to be a little quiet because cutting the crease, that gets serious. You know what I'm saying? I give it to me right. So I'm going to take my M14 brush that I still got brown product on. I'm just going to use the product that's already on there and just blend that in through the sides just like this. And then I'll take the big fluffy brush, go over it like that. All right. So now I'm going to be jumping into this Vivera palette, and this is by Anastasia Beverly Hill. Jumping into this like pink, and this is called Coastline. And we're going to lay that over top. Oh, that looks so pretty. Woo! I like that. I like that a lot. All right, so now since we have that down, I had put some mascara on my eyes and I used the Ala mascara. That has been one of my fave. We're going to be doing the under eyes. So for under eye, we're going to be jumping into that dark brown, bringing it real close, just like that, bringing it real close. Come a little bit closer. You know, just keep it nice and close, you know. We're going to be jumping into the waterline, and this is something that I love to do. I love to jump in the Mama Mitchell P. Louise and put this in my waterline. I just love the way it pops. But you can also use like a nude pencil. You can use any kind of nude pencil, but I do it with this. And every time when I put something under my water eyes, I'm always tearing. So what I do now so I won't tear, oh, my breath. Dead serious, I hold my breath. And it works. Say what you want. It works, okay? So now we're gonna take some of this Isla mascara and we're gonna touch up these eyes at the bottom. These bottom lashes. I love having long bottom eyelashes. And I'm going to be jumping into my Mika Nose by Lily. Let me jump these on. I'll be right back. Look into myself in the mirror like, bitch, you my boo, okay? I'm loving these eyes, honey, okay? I'm loving these lashes. Let me tell you something. The Lily Mika Nose lashes are my fave lashes. I really like how fluffy they are. I just love them. So now we're gonna be jumping into my favorite part, and that is highlight and lip. All right, so really quick, y'all, I am going to be jumping into my Tiana Teller highlight Petunia. You know what I mean? Like, I am addicted to this highlight, y'all. I've been putting this highlight on going to sleep. Like, I'm listen. So we're going to just be laying it under the brow bone, okay? The main reason why I love this highlight, because you can just layer, and it just still looks so freaking good. Girl, if you ain't gonna pick you up some Petunia, you better pick you up some Petunia, okay? Just can't get enough. Just can't get enough. Oh, no. You know? You know, give your nose a little highlight. You know, every nose need a little highlight. Get a little, put it at the bottom. My favorite part is just what it does to these cheeks. Turns me on, okay? It just turns me on, like, just can't get enough, honey. Y'all better have picked y'all up some Petunia. And if y'all didn't see my Tiana Teller review, check that out, all right? I will put the video up here somewhere so y'all can click on that, you know, and look at that. For lip, honey, we're going to be jumping into the Night Mall. Y'all will be seeing this in my videos a lot because this is like my fave lip liner right now. I just love, yo, this right here, y'all gonna see this in every video for a while. Like, who gonna say something? Who gonna check me? I wait. Oh, all right. Next, we gonna be jumping into Good Morning. I know y'all say this girl is crazy, but y'all just don't understand how good it feels on your lips. You just, but you know, I want to do a little gloss or whatever because we already met on the eyes. So we're going to be jumping into Save Your Tears, honey. Just give it a nice little gloss. We're going to jump right into this NYX Sweet Cheeks. This has been my fave. It is a drugstore, but it's like definitely still like where it's at. All you need is like a dab. Just smile. Hey, girl. And look, already that joint is like there. You know what I mean? I like this too because it lasts. You know, sometimes blush, it doesn't last or whatever, but this lasts. Like this little bit right here is gonna like last me like all day. I still want to take this petunia and put it on my inner corner. Yeah. We got a spray. We can't forget the spray. We're going to be using the Luminous Spray by Morphe. We're going to spray this face, set it all in. You dig? So guys, I'm really loving this look. I'm really feeling this look. I hope you guys is feeling this look too. You know what I'm saying? And if you is, make sure you drop me a comment down below. Also, my boos, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit that notification bell button, boo, because you don't want to miss my upcoming videos, okay? So with that being said, I love you guys so much. Don't forget to put God first, and I will see you, my boo, in my next video. Mwah. Peace. Ooh, I really gave y'all a kiss. Hello.